Stop. Turn around.
I just got out of it.
Okay. Just get in.
I'm decalking. I'm sorry.
Start listening.
What happens when a driver exits jail and within 60 minutes commits multiple felonies across a public highway? What constitutional standards govern the officer response? And what does the law say when a driver strikes multiple victims and refuses to stop?
Did you just hit somebody? Cigar bar just got out. Stop. Turn around.
I just got out of it.
Okay. Just get in. Turn over. Turn over. Turn over.
I need help.
Yeah, you need a lot of help.
I was just in the jail.
Put your arm back around behind you.
Please help me.
Put your arm behind your back.
I'm decalking. I'm sorry.
Start listening. Shut up and stop listening.
And put your hand behind your back. Quit resisting. Put your hands behind your back.
You've already hit like 5 people.
Yeah, I'm one of them.
Stand up. Naples, 3 off 11, 1 in custody.
Your blood, brother? That must be her phone. I don't know.
Yeah. You walking back to my car?
Yeah, okay, I'll walk with you.
So you one that got hit?
Yeah.
Okay.
1033 on that 35, heading 1033 on 35.
Naples, the address will be 4424 Timmy Trail. Ventino Cigar Bar.
Oh no.
She wrecked in the ditch.
Oh no. I can't go back. I can't go back.
3 off of 31. Can you be 51 to search her?
Please. Please. I
So
don't
put her right here
know.
in front now.
I don't have
Whose car is that?
My son's. He's at the hospital. He just went to the hospital.
Yes. He's still up on the
My
dash.
son's in the hospital right now. I was just there with him. Please. Please listen. Can I tell you what happened?
Well, I know what happened. I said that when you hit it.
I got out of jail and we went to the bail squad. My son was taking me to the hospital.
So far, I think she's hit 3 to 5 people all the way down 41.
I got damage on that vehicle.
Was there anybody in the car with you?
No.
Traffic unit to assist with the crashes.
How many people she hit you and who else?
I don't know. I was just waiting at the light.
Yeah.
Crashed into the. She pulled in through without being told.
All right.
Oh, please help me. Please help me.
Did you have anything on you?
Yeah, no.
I got another female deputy
I don't
coming.
have anything on me.
Oh, no, this lady got hit too.
Okay.
I don't have anything on me.
Just stay right here.
I don't have anything.
I didn't get her name or anything. She has her son's car.
Okay.
My son just went to the hospital. Okay, he picked me up from.
So is it
He picked me up
Bay
from
or
jail.
41 at Bayshore? And she's like coming right at me. Hits the curb, blows her tire, and just like the whole way down, like swerving all over the place. Unbelievable. Is it off?
I'm probably gonna have to put something in the car.
Oh, yeah, see if you can do that. Hey. Okay, oh, yeah, we're good. I got plenty of help. You can 22 for us. Are you Janice?
Yeah.
Janice Hill?
Yeah.
193, where do I need to respond to first? What area?
I want to say it was Palm. I believe a couple of the victims are at my scene at the cigar bar on 41. Huh? She was.
You didn't lose a knife,
No, mine's in my pocket. She crashed. She took off running.
She ran?
So stop. She said no, and I was like, and she's like stopped, and I guess the guys ran out of here. The other guy ran out.
They smoking
She
here?
just hit me. The guy in the white truck.
Yeah, she pulled up in front of me.
Because I'm on 41, going to turn left on Bay Shore, and she's like, oh, telling the ride along. And I see her coming, like, switching lanes. I was like, oh, and I didn't say nothing. She's coming fast, but right where you're on the far left lane to take the turn, she nailed the curb, and it's like, I thought she was going to pull over, so I was following, and all of a sudden she's speeding up. I'll see a smoke, and she's swerving. I was like, uh-oh.
Oh, good stuff.
Split. Just got out.
Yeah, nice. Was that today?
Yeah. And that's her son's car.
It hurt. It's hurting my arm.
Be quiet. That's why you shouldn't run or resist.
What's her name?
It's her son's car. She just totaled it. So.
What's her name? Noah Haley?
No, that's her son. Janice. Yeah, she looks kind of familiar.
Yeah, she just got out. She just came from the bond off.
She's going to NJC, but she's got to do these charges first.
Yeah, get a picture.
I'll drop off a big rack.
But so I got the fleeing and eluding 1, 2, 3, the hit and runs.
Yeah.
Was that it? That's the only thing.
Yeah.
I think there's nobody else called in. I guess I didn't hear nothing. I haven't been listening.
No,
But
I haven't heard anymore.
Just the one down there, and then these two.
okay, that's 3. Okay. It starts as I get every one is going to be a charge. So
Yeah.
all right.
Do you know why apparently she's a baker out? Why she goes to jail for?
This is hers. It fell out on her little 2-mile-an-hour run.
I was gonna say, did she really run though?
It was really slow through the ditch and got up there to the sidewalk and just sat down.
Did you feel like you were watching The Walking Dead while she was running? Because I feel like that's similar.
I thought she was gonna disappear on me, but she's like, those guys are already running out.
That's
The
why I
guy
was
in the white
laughing.
truck got
Like,
mad
is she
because
running from you. I was like, she's probably really the speed on her.
yeah, she's a real slow run.
Feel good. She's got lumps on her.
Oh yeah.
Florida Statute Section 316.1935 defines fleeing or eluding as willfully failing to stop for a law enforcement officer in an authorized patrol vehicle with lights and siren activated. At high speed or in a reckless manner, this constitutes a third-degree felony. Under subsection 3B, when flight results in personal injury, the charge escalates to aggravated fleeing, carrying up to 5 years. Florida Statute Section 316.027 requires every driver in a crash involving injury to stop, render reasonable aid, and provide identifying information. The statute does not require proof of intentional flight. The driver need only have known, or reasonably should have known, that a collision occurred. Each victim generates a separate second-degree felony carrying up to 15 years per count. In Scott v. Harris, 550 U.S. 372, 2007, the Supreme Court held that officers confronting a fleeing suspect whose reckless driving creates serious danger to innocent motorists are not constitutionally required to abandon pursuit in the interest of suspect safety. The risk to the public is the controlling factor in the constitutional analysis of pursuit authority. Under Illinois v. Wardlow, 528 U.S. 119, 2000, unprovoked flight from law enforcement is a recognized indicator of consciousness of guilt. The court confirmed that flight constitutes a relevant factor in establishing probable cause for arrest, independent of any other conduct the officer has directly observed at the time of the decision. Graham v. Connor, 490 U.S. 386, 1989, establishes the constitutional standard for evaluating all law enforcement use of force. Reasonableness is judged from the perspective of a reasonable officer on the scene at the moment of the decision, under the circumstances then known, and not with the benefit of hindsight or information that emerged after the fact. Rhode Island v. Innis, 446 U.S. 291 1980 defines custodial interrogation for Miranda purposes as express questioning or its functional equivalent. Statements made spontaneously by a suspect, without officer prompting, are fully admissible as voluntary admissions, regardless of whether Miranda advisement has been given at the time of the statement. Florida Statute Section 843.02 classifies resisting an officer without violence as a first-degree misdemeanor. The statute requires only that the subject obstruct or oppose an officer in the lawful execution of a legal duty. Any physical non-compliance that impedes a lawful arrest satisfies the statutory elements independent of the underlying felony charges. Lesson: in Florida, charges arising from a single incident do not automatically merge. Fleeing activates Section 316.135. Each victim not aided activates Section 316.027. Reckless operation causing injury activates Section 316.192 C2. Resistance activates Section 843.02. Each charge carries independent elements, independent proof requirements, and independent sentencing exposure. They stack. 3 counts under Section 316.027 at up to 15 years each. 1 count under Section 316.1935 3B at up to 5 years. 1 count under Section 316.192 C2 at up to 5 years. The combined statutory maximum exposure for this single incident runs to over 50 years under Florida sentencing law. The statutes are clear, the case law is settled, the body camera captured everything, but the deeper questions remain unanswered. Does the bail system adequately assess the risk of immediate recidivism? When multiple felonies occur within 1 hour of release on bond, how should the sentencing framework respond? The record is open, the analysis continues.